What's up, YouTube family? This is Jeff with Little Bit Everything Home Services coming to you with another video. I wasn't gonna do a video today, but today we are at a client's house where the chief complaint was yep, it's actually a daycare. You're right, it's a daycare, and the chief complaint was the sink was backing up. You know, so what we found. Well, let me show you. All right, so what we find, if you look here, this is the actual sink right here, but they have on the left side over there, this side of the sink is connected to this side of the sink, so they run together. If you look down there, yep, if you look, see how they both run to into one, and it's running down right here. So when you snake it out, it just goes in through this side, and the snake comes back.
You snake it come out the other way too.
Yep, comes right on the other side. So couldn't get the snake to go down. So we had to cut in the wall. We were trying to find a space downstairs in the ceiling, but couldn't find it. And if you look, this old pipe transitions. It transitions from PVC. The original pipe is steel down there. So, and there's a little rubber coupling right there to join the PVC and the steel together. So all we're doing is using this 50-foot snake and running it down there. Now, what's important for you to understand is that this steel pipe, you can't do it like you do PVC. You know, grease, you can't pour grease down the sink and different things like that, because this old pipe is rusted on the inside and it's rugged, rigid, and it gets stuck and it sticks there. So, and that's what happens here. Collection somewhere along the way, you know, grease was pouring down there and it just clogged that thing up like crazy. So, we're just here. We're gonna clean it out, and actually, this is a great little tool right here. This snake was for guys can pick up this 50-foot automated snake from Harbor Freight. You know, and it does a great job. Does a great job, and this had to use this many times. So what we're gonna do to prevent having to cut in the wall and do all this again is we're gonna put a clean out right there.
Clean out right there.
If you look and see, this is a clean out right here. We're gonna put that there. So, yep, put this inside the cabinet there, and you'll be able to run a snake in there.
Got a good lid on it too.
Yep. There's a screw-on cap on that clean out. So this will prevent all this extra work in the future.
Next time.
Yep, next time, because it'll be a next time. All right, YouTube family. So as you can see, we have installed the clean out right there, and so now testing it, we ran the 50-foot drain twice, clear the clog, and now I'm just using the water supply line here, faucet supply line, and running it down there to run hot water just to make sure it doesn't back up. All right, YouTube family, this is the final product. We got the cabinet put back, all the plumbing hooked back up, and we're all done. I want to thank you for taking time out to check out the video. Talk to you soon. Have a blessed day.